Hello, welcome to my channel, Cocinando con Chayito. Today we're gonna make chicken fajitas only because you asked for it. Sophie, you requested it and here we are. We're gonna make chicken fajitas for you, for all of you. The ingredients for the chicken fajitas, I have 3 pieces of chicken breast. I have bell peppers, I have these 3 colors. We're gonna use only these 3 pieces. A piece of onion, 1 tomato, the juice, the lemon juice, 1 lemon juice. I have half of the tablespoon of all-purpose flour, salt. I have butter, olive oil, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. All right, we have everything we need, and it is time to cook. I'm gonna start with the onion, julienne style, like that, and then we're gonna do the bell pepper. Okay, we're done with the tomatoes, and I feel like I'm gonna have some jalapenos. We call it torearlos, like that, so it becomes more or less spicy. We put them outside. We're gonna start by slicing the chicken in a little slices like that. All right. Okay, this is it. Now, let's go to the stove. We're gonna start adding a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna start by frying those chilies. We call it torearlos, and then we're gonna put them on the side. All right. I have the stove medium high. This step is optional. You don't have to do these chilies, but I feel like having it, so it is a step to you. I'm gonna stick the knife a little so it won't pop. Careful. See this color? That's what I'm looking for. At this point, I'm gonna add the onion. To saute the onion a little. Smells amazing already. Look at this color of the onion. This is ready. I'm gonna pull it out. And I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna save it. Look at this jalapeno, this chilies. I'm gonna pull it out too. That one is ready. I'm gonna add a little more oil. And then we're gonna add the pepper. I'm gonna saute the bell peppers for a minute or 2. It passed a minute and a half, and I'm gonna pull them out. Okay. Look at our pepper. Beautiful. All right, it's time to cook the chicken now. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of butter. And I just put the olive oil just to prevent the butter to burn. I'm gonna add the chicken. And pepper, salt, and the flour, just like that. Okay, right now I'm just gonna cover the stove and let it rest for maybe 2 minutes. 1 minute passed. You can check once in a while. Look at this chicken. Will be ready pretty soon. And cover back up again. It is time to add the lemon juice. And the sauce. I'm gonna add like 3 tablespoons. Stir it. And then we're gonna add the vegetables, the bell peppers and the onion. And a little bit of more salt. And then move again. These fajitas are almost ready. We're gonna leave it like that for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna cover again. Our fajitas are almost ready, and then I feel like I having a guacamole, so I'm gonna make one. I have avocado and a half. We're gonna add it here in the molcajete. If you don't have one of those, it's okay, you can use another dish. We're gonna start by smashing the avocado like that. We're gonna add salt, a little bit. This is garlic salt. I have like a half of the tablespoon and a little bit of oregano, Mexican oregano. I have 1.5 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of tomato, a big tablespoon of onion, red onion, and we're gonna squish 1 lime. We're gonna add the, chili. I'm using a serrano. Mix it again. You can taste it. Alright, this is our delicious guacamole, ready. And last but not least, we're gonna add 1 tomato. If you think you need more salt, you can add it. It's just up to you. I'm gonna cover for 1 more minute, and the fajitas are ready. Our fajitas are done. Look at this. Beautiful. And guess what? It's time to eat. We're gonna turn it off. And we're gonna heat up some tortillas. We're gonna go to the command. I have flour tortillas. I have that small tortillas, but if you wanna use the bigger one, it's up to you. Well, our fajitas are ready, and here we go. We're gonna taste this deliciousness. We're gonna grab our tortilla. We're gonna add either sour cream, guacamole, and then we're gonna add our chicken, tomato, a little bit of everything. One more chicken. Whoopsie. It's running away. And guess what? It's time to have a bite. Let's go. Let's do this. These fajitas are really good. Let me have a bite of this chili. Ooh. A little spicy. I'm gonna send a shout out to California. Sophia, your idea, I'm enjoying it. I hope you enjoy it too. Next time. Bye bye.